Imagine a lake so deadly, it turns creatures into stone. Welcome to Lake Natron in Tanzania, a deadly yet mesmerizing body of water. Lake Natron's water is highly alkaline, with a pH as high as 10.5, almost like ammonia. Any animal that falls into the lake risks being calcified, their bodies preserved in a hauntingly stone-like state. Thanks to the minerals in the water, the lake gives off a deep red color, making it even more mysterious. But don't worry, it's not dangerous to humans. Just incredibly fascinating. Here's the twist. Some species of fish and flamingos thrive in this harsh environment, perfectly adapted to survive what others cannot. How can life exist in a place that seemingly turns creatures to stone? Lake Natron continues to baffle scientists and amaze explorers.